Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Paula Nanya, an esthetician living in Lagos, Nigeria. And today we're going to be talking about something a little bit, different, which is going to be talking about exfoliating, okay? And this video is mainly for beginners who do not know where to put their hands on. So this video is for you, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Also share this video if you like. Let's dive into the video right now. First of all, we're going to be talking about what exfoliating is. And exfoliating is the process of shedding of the dead skin cells. So we all know that we produce new cells and then we shed the old ones regularly. But as we get older, this process of shedding and growing new ones becomes a little bit slow and difficult. So because of that, we need help of things. There are products that we need, or ingredients or things that we need to do to be able to achieve this in a quicker form or in a quicker way, or more effective for our skin. And that's where we talk about exfoliants. Okay, that's when we need exfoliants. So first of all, I'm going to be grouping this into like categories, and we're going to be saying there are two groups. There is the physical exfoliant and there is the chemical exfoliant. So now let's talk about physical exfoliants. Physical exfoliants are those things that we physically use to help in the shedding of these dead skin cells. Okay, so they can be scrubs or exfoliating gloves to help remove this dead skin cells from the face. But the thing is that it can be really abrasive, so because of that, I'm not really an advocate for physical exfoliants, because if I want to tell you to get an exfoliant, I would not tell you to go and get a physical exfoliant, because I know that it can cause harm than good. Okay, so anyway guys, now let's dive into talking about chemical exfoliants. Chemical exfoliants are those exfoliants that you use to get rid of dead skin cells. They are chemical forms, and it is more effective, it is quicker, it is faster, and really these things you can use at home. Okay, there are exfoliants that you can use at home, unlike the chemical peels where you need to get to a professional to help you with them. So when you talk about physical exfoliants, now I'm going to give you the list of them. We have the AHA, BHA, retinoid, benzoyl peroxide. Okay, so we're going to be talking about AHAs, and AHA are water soluble, and they help encourage the skin to shed dead skin. And the ingredients that in this category are lactic acid, mandelic acid, there is glycolic acid. So they are best suited to help with hyperpigmentation, texture, and some mandelic also helps with breakouts. So if you're looking for products, I'm going to put in products that I know that have these ingredients in them on the screen for you to go and purchase if that is what you're looking at, so you know. And then another one we're going to be talking about is the BHA. So guys, BHAs are oil solubles, and they work to help to decongest pores, and they also best to help with congestion, excessive oiliness, and non-inflamed acne, as well as appearance of pores. So they let's just say this is more for oily skin. Okay, so and then when you talk about the most common ingredients for this BHA is salicylic acid. So if you're oily skinned, and oily skin comes with congestions and inflamed acne, and also appearance of pores, your pores appears larger and all of that. That is what oily skin does. So then this should be what you need. Okay, I'm also going to insert pictures of products that I know that would work well for you for this BHA. So another one we're going to talk about is retinoids, and retinoids are a couple of different things. Okay, we have the retinoid, we have the tretinoid, we have the adapalene and etc. So they generally work for anti-aging benefits, and they also help with, you know, acne treatment, hyperpigmentation. The last one we're going to be talking about is benzoyl peroxide. This generally helps with breakouts. It might also assist you with your whiteheads, your blackheads, if that would be your concern. So it's commonly found in washes or gels. I'm going to insert pictures also of products that I know that have benzoyl peroxide and are good, and you can get them for wash off form. Okay, that is basically all I have for you guys today when it comes to exfoliating. So please, if you're going to purchase any of this, please ask your skincare vendor, or you ask your therapist to help you to choose, to identify your skin type first of all, then your concern, and which exfoliant you should shoot towards. Okay, so those are all the exfoliants that I have for you guys, and that's the end of this video. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Your thumbs up helps the video to grow. Also comment down below if you have any questions, and then subscribe to this channel. You can also share it if you know that there are a lot of people who are struggling with making these decisions and knowing what is right for them. All right, thank you very much for watching. Till next time, bye guys.